Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Imagine a cold winter evening, the air filled with the rich, dairy aroma of cheese. You see a pool of warm, shimmering gold bubbling just before it cascades smoothly onto a bed of fluffy, boiled potatoes. As the molten cheese settles, you puncture the creamy substance with a sharp, salty cornition. This isn't just a meal, it's the experience of raclette, a simple Swiss tradition that has charmed diners around the world. Raclette offers the purest form of comfort food, pairing delicious, savory cheese with straightforward yet essential accompaniments. It is simultaneously elegant and completely casual, inviting everyone to sit together and cook at the table. We'll show you the history behind this delightful custom, explain why the classic pairings work so brilliantly, and provide everything you need to host your own fantastic raclette party at home. What exactly is raclette cheese in its Swiss start? Raclette is more than just a dish, it's a specific type of cheese and a beloved method of eating it. The cheese itself is semi-hard, made from cow's milk, and hails primarily from Switzerland and parts of France. It possesses a distinctly savory, aromatic flavor that deepens and becomes especially pungent when heated. This makes it ideal for melting. When you taste raclette, you notice its buttery texture and a slight sharpness that leaves you wanting more. The special flavor of raclette, why we love the melt. The magic of raclette happens when it melts. Unlike cheddar or mozzarella, raclette cheese melts cleanly, forming a thick, smooth blanket that holds its temperature well. This texture is essential to the dining experience. The tradition is so defined by the melting process that the name raclette actually comes from the French verb racler, which means to scrape. Traditionally, a large wheel of cheese is heated near a fire, and the softened portion is literally scraped off onto the plate. That scraping action gives the dish its identity. Cheese feature. Description. Importance to raclette. Texture. Semi-hard, easy to slice. Perfect for tabletop grills. Aroma. Pungent, dairy-rich. Intensifies when heated, central to the experience. Flavor. Savory, mildly sharp. Balances the mildness of potatoes. How raclette went from shepherd's dinner to fancy party. Raclette's history is rooted in the practical needs of mountain life. Centuries ago, Swiss herders needed high-calorie, easily portable food while tending their flocks in the Alps. Raclette cheese was that sustenance. They would often take breaks by a communal campfire. During these breaks, they placed a chunk of the cheese near the fire until the surface began to soften. They would then scrape the gooey, melted cheese onto their stale bread or cooked potatoes. This rustic, hearty meal slowly transitioned from a necessity to a social tradition. Over time, the technique was refined. Today, while some traditionalists still use a half-wheel under a specialized heating lamp, most modern gatherings use small, electric, tabletop raclette grills. These modern devices allow guests to melt individual portions of cheese in small trays, turning dinner into a slow, interactive cooking party. The essential pairing, why potatoes and pickles are perfect partners. The brilliance of a traditional raclette meal lies in its perfect culinary harmony. You have the heavy, fatty richness of the cheese, which needs counterpoints to keep the dish from overwhelming the palate. The classic pairing of potatoes and pickles isn't arbitrary, it's a necessary balancing act of texture and flavor that makes the dish truly addictive. Why the warm starch, potatoes, is the perfect base for cheese. Potatoes are the reliable backbone of a raclette dinner, providing a much-needed neutral warmth and starch. Not just any potato will do. Typically, small, waxy varieties like new potatoes or fingerlings are boiled in their skins until tender. They are chosen specifically because they hold their shape firmly, preventing them from turning into mush under the weight and heat of the melted cheese. That's just the beginning of the raclette journey. From the perfect melt to the best pairings, there's still more to discover about this iconic Swiss comfort food. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.